trios. Today we're the duos
right now because So we're
busy.
doing the twin telepathy.
But except it's French.
challenge.
Except it's French. So it's a little different. And may I explain?
Yes.
So we're gonna do an example. Pretend I won, so I get to choose it. So she
I'm
closed
gonna
her
go
eyes.
under the table.
Oh yeah, she'll go under.
Have
Don't
my
look
ears
up.
plugged.
Oh yeah. So then I choose which one I'll
Seriously?
choose.
Wait, actually, I feel like we should have something around our ears.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Because we're not gonna say it. We'll point.
Yeah.
So go down. So I pick. Okay.
Okay. I think you picked that one.
Mhm.
This one.
Mhm.
And oh shoot, that one.
Okay. So you can get 3 points on every round. You got 2 points. This, and it was that. So that's how it works. It's a little different. So
Wait,
and then
you
the
did
next
this,
round.
this and that.
Yep. And then because I won, I guess I go again, right? And we might put a scoreboard up later.
No, it's whoever wins the Rochambeau after that.
No, let's just keep it. Let's just for the example round, let's keep it this way. So
Yeah.
this one's out of the picture, literally.
Like
Okay.
out.
Now
And
go
now,
down.
no, I'm gonna go down. No, we're gonna Rochambeau now.
Oh, okay.
Ah, no! Now I have to go down again. And she has to pick 2 now.
Yep. Okay. You got
1 point.
1 point. You said this one and this one?
Yeah.
Right? It was these 2.
Okay,
So this one's out
you
of the
can get
picture.
it.
And the last round. Ready?
the last.
Rochambeau again?
I thought, and then these
And
are
then
the
we do
last 2 that
yeah.
we use.
And but let's not use both of them. Let's Rochambeau.
Yeah.
Gotta go under.
Okay,
and don't
guys.
say anything, because I'm just not gonna look.
So we're also gonna have food coloring.
Well, if she chooses, I didn't see what you chose. If she chooses the white, we'll use food color. Or in the actual round, we'll use white. But that wasn't the actual round.
Yeah, that was.
Yeah, that was an example. But actually, you know what? You get the idea. Until it gets down to 1, we don't need to keep doing it.
Yeah.
So now, since I did it started for the example round, why don't you actually start?
Okay.
So I'm going under the table. Don't talk it.
Okay, guys. So I know she's like a pick. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. This one. This one. And this one.
Ooh, you got 2 points. It was this one and that one. So this one's out of the picture.
Oh, it was these 3. Okay, so I got 2 points. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go not do anything. I was going to run and grab something, but you know what? I don't think we're going to keep points. This is not 2 points.
Yeah.
Yeah, no points. But I did get 2 out of 3.
You're down.
Rochambeau. Rochambeau.
Okay. I got mine.
I say
Ooh,
these
you
2.
got 1 point. This one is
Out of the picture.
picture.
Okay. Rochambeau. Rochambeau. Rochambeau.
I got it!
No, I got you. You rocked it. Okay. I say. Okay.
Got
You
it?
can do Yeah.
This one.
Nope, it was both of them. I tricked you. I want to add a little bit of both.
Okay,
So
sounds
got
good.
the bowl.
So now
got our
we're
bowl.
gonna add a little bit of both, and now we're gonna pick
But
what we're
less
gonna
of this
add
one.
inside of it.
Well, let's put this in first. We gotta put
Yeah.
this in.
All right. So we want to make it a little bit glowy.
Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna unscrew this.
Here. Okay. So.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Can you see that? I hope you can.
Can you open this?
Yeah.
I don't know if I didn't stop it. No, open it.
Oh, okay.
Like, you don't need to see us opening it. Sorry if the sun's in my face. Pony Sisters Club, what the heck? Okay, no, can I do it?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so now
I'm gonna.
because I don't want to add too much. I know just the right amount. Oh, that was I think that's good for now.
Yeah.
We'll do it in
All right. Now I'll do the glue.
the other glue, you mean?
Well, the white glue.
Here, all of it.
The normal glue. I would say, actually. Okay,
You can tell.
we're gonna make a small batch today. So
Hopefully you can see that.
I want to kind of make
A
this
little more.
go glow in the dark
I make that a
more.
little.
So like,
Okay.
yeah.
So,
Now we're going to.
We're
be
not
doing,
gonna mix it yet, though.
No, we're gonna
Can
be
you
doing a
Put
challenge
that over there.
on
Put
who
that over there.
wants to, like, what they want in their ingredient.
Yeah,
We're gonna be
so
doing the same system.
Now, I think we might have to do 2 rounds of this.
Yes.
So
We're gonna have
these
coconut
2,
and shaving cream.
and then just put all of them in, and we'll do it. Oh no, they're 3 actually. So we have the option. Oh no, bring the conditioner over here actually. Now we changed it. We have the option for round 1 of this round 2, part 1.
Right here.
No, that's separate. Those 3 will go together.
Yeah.
So we've got the things that you put on your butt and in your hair. So we've got shampoo, we've got lotion, and finally we've got conditioner. For the second part, we have soap, shaving cream, or cornstarch. So
Yeah.
technically this one should go with the other ones, but it's just easier that way because
These are all like
it just
bottle
makes
kinds.
more sense.
Okay, so we have
So-
our glue.
Can I start? Can I start this time?
Yes.
You start with that one. Okay. I choose. Your turn to pick.
Wait, how many are you choosing?
2. You got 2 points.
Yeah!
Okay, Rochambeau.
Okay, so I'm picking one. Ooh, the shampoo looks good, but lotion is also really good. Okay, ready. Ah, you got 1 point. Because this is, I only want to add a little bit, so we're gonna add a little bit of this.
I mean, lotion is good, but towards the end, and shampoo is good too, I guess. So you can add it in. You're not gonna see this. It's not important to see this. Just a little bit of shampoo. Just stick it in. I just put a little more. A little more.
That's good.
Okay.
Okay,
You get
so
to start for round.
now this is how it looks like. As you can see,
You probably can't.
here
see it.
is
Oh,
the
okay.
shampoo. A little bit. My finger caught in there. Okay.
Okay, so now
So-
we've got these 3. You can start.
Okay. Get down there, girl. Whoa, whoa, whoa! No peeking in there. Okay, I'm ready.
I say these 2.
You got 1 point.
Which one?
That one. That one's out of the picture.
Such is good, girl.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Okay, your turn.
This one?
Nope. This one.
Why would you put in soap?
Because it makes it nice and like stretchy.
Oh, well, then put soap in. Then for the last one, I just realized
I only want to add a little bit.
I didn't get the last stuff. Ow. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna do this part the next round. No, I think you have to pour it in.
I don't want to though.
How about that? Is that good?
Yeah, it's a little bit much.
Oh, I need to dry my hands. Why? Oh, I get to choose. So
Can I kind of pour it out over here?
yeah, I'll pour it. We'll be right back, guys.
Okay, so we have a little bit of watery stuff in here.
Okay, next we're going to do this next part
That was
mentally
funny.
because I don't want to grab the other thing, which I will if we have to. So you've got the choice of staff flow or baking soda and contact lotion, which I didn't get that yet, and it's just too much work to run around the place and go get it. So we're gonna do that later. And because you started, I get to start this time.
Okay.
Okay, and this is mental. Okay. This is mental, so take a guess.
That one.
Staffel?
Yeah.
You are correct.
Because I knew you didn't want to run and get it. Okay, so now we need a mixing.
Well, I'm gonna put the staff flow in after because that's just the way you make slime, people.
Yeah, first you mix.
Oh, I'll get a spoon.
Okay, guys. So our bear, as you can see from our last episode, well, that we're still making, is doing good-ish.
Wait, those are 2 separate videos. Yeah, we'll be there in a minute.
Yes, sorry, no.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna mix.
You want to show them?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh wait.
That's fine. This is gonna run, right?
Yeah. Okay, so got this. Looks kind of stringy-ish. We're gonna add our
Can I mix it?
activator.
So after Maddie puts in the activator, she's going to hold the camera.
Let's start with that little bit.
Okay, so, it's actually kind of coming together right now. And you always want to get ready to play with it. So if you have, like, sleeves, make sure to roll them up. And, yeah, that's not enough. So Maddie will pour a little more.
I put some in. I don't know if you got that, guys. I wasn't really focusing on camera there.
So,
Looks like you need to add some more.
yeah, maybe a little more, but it is kind of coming together.
More?
All right, so now I think, yeah, we need more of this. So we're just gonna keep mixing and keep mixing until it becomes into slime. So we're gonna do we're gonna put it into time lapse.
We'll give you a slime reveal in 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Here's your slime reveal.
Woo! So it's really pokey, really stretchy. I love it.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
How's it
It's
going?
really nice
I
and
have to take her home.
stretchy.
It's all like that. Yeah. And I haven't fed her. It's all ready
Okay,
to go.
so it's really
Oh,
stretchy.
careful, Luigi, because
Luigi.
I think he's okay. Because these boards are wet. But I covered them with chairs.
Got it.
Okay.
All right. Thank you for watching.
We'll see you next
Bye.